Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see the list of top 10 richest Indian states. India's economic landscape is rapidly evolving with states competing to drive growth, innovation and prosperity. In this exclusive 2025 ranking we reveal the top 10 richest states in India. This video is made by analyzing these factors: gross state domestic product, that is GSDP, per capita income and industrial growth, foreign direct investment FDI inflows, infrastructure development and employment rates, emerging sectors tech, manufacturing, renewable energy. So now we will see the top 10 richest states in India. Number 10, Haryana. GDP rupees 9 lakh crores. Gurgaon's corporate hub, automotive and agri-tech innovations. Number 9, Andhra Pradesh. GDP rupees 10 lakh crores. Amaravati's infrastructure push, port-led growth and green energy initiatives. Number 8, Rajasthan. GDP rupees 12 lakhs crores. Jaipur's tourism and gemstone trade, solar power projects and SEZ. Number 7, West Bengal. GDP is rupees 15 lakh crores. Kolkata's port and tea trade revival, new town, smart city and industrial parks. Number 6, Telangana. GDP rupees 18 lakh crores. Hyderabad's pharma and IT search, T Hub 2.0 and Genome Valley innovations. Number 5, Uttar Pradesh. GDP rupees 20 lakh crore, rising pharma and defense hub, Noida's tech boom and expressway projects. Number 4, Gujarat. GDP rupees 22 lakh crore, gift city and petrochemical giants, renewable energy leaders, solar and wind. Number 3, Karnataka. GDP rupees 25 lakh crore, Bengaluru's tech dominance, 40% of India's IT exports, unicorn capital. Number 2, Tamil Nadu. GDP rupees 28 lakh crore, manufacturing and EV hub, Chennai's industrial corridor and Foxconn investments. Number 1, Maharashtra. GDP rupees 45 plus lakh crore, Mumbai's financial powerhouse, key sectors IT, automobiles, entertainment. So these are the top 10 richest states in India. If you like my explanation, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and share to others. And if you have any doubts, please comment below this video. Thank you.